In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Slack in Go High Level. We'll walk through the process step by step, so by the end, your Slack workspace will be connected and ready to use with your Go High Level account. This will help you and your team get instant updates, notifications, and a smoother workflow without constantly switching between platforms. First, log into your Go High Level account as you normally would. Once you're inside your account, look toward the lower left or side navigation menu and locate the Settings option. This is where all of your account, company, and integration configurations live. Go ahead and click on Settings to open that area. Inside the Settings section, you'll see several options related to your company and account. What you're looking for here is the Integrations tab. This is the place where Go High Level connects with other tools like Slack. Click on Integrations to open the Integrations page. On the Integrations page, you'll see a list of different apps and services that can be connected to your Go High Level account. Look for the Slack integration. Next to Slack, you should see a button that says Connect. Click on Connect to start linking your Slack workspace to Go High Level. Once you click Connect, a new window or pop-up will appear that takes you through Slack's standard authorization process. This is where you'll follow the on-screen prompts. Typically, you may be asked to log into your Slack workspace if you're not already signed in. Make sure you're using the correct Slack account, especially if you're part of multiple workspaces. Slack will then ask you to review the permissions that Go High Level is requesting. These permissions allow Go High Level to send messages or notifications into your chosen Slack channels. Take a moment to read through them so you understand what access is being granted. When you're comfortable with the permissions, click the Allow or Authorize button to continue. After authorizing, you will be redirected back to Go High Level. You should now see Slack listed as connected on the integrations page. If the status shows as connected, that means your integration is successfully set up and ready to use. From here, you can start creating workflows, notifications, or automations in Go High Level that send messages directly into Slack channels, helping your team stay updated in real time. That's all you need to do to integrate Slack in Go High Level.